All right, here we are today. We've got the MK4 R32 and we've got our brand new Velt Sport Coilpacks. These are better than OEM, have a lifetime warranty, and these will fit any 24 valve, 3.2 liter, 3.6 liter VR6. We also have the 2.8 24 valves as well available. We're gonna throw these bad boys in the brand new project car here for myself. First thing, just pop this guy off. Pop this guy off. It's all pretty straightforward. We want to release these clips for all the coil packs. So once you get all the connectors removed from the coil packs, now you can go in, remove each coil pack. Now we got this sweet tool that we sell to remove VR6 coil packs. Just kind of hooks underneath them and pulls them up. So now you've got all the coil packs removed from the car. Now we just need to install the new ones. So we've got 6 brand new Velt Sport coil packs and basically just plop them right in. Now the VR6, you know, the cylinders are angled at a 15-degree angle. So when you put the coil packs in, they actually alternate back and forth. So you just want to make sure you put them in the right orientation. You can always tell that by the way this will sit flush on the top of the valve cover gasket, or the valve cover, sorry. So let's see, this guy's going in. Once you put these all in, don't worry about pushing them all the way down, because once you put the plugs down, you can push a little bit better. But just go one by one. Put the plugs back in, give it a good push down, make sure it's seated properly. You want to replace all of the cover pieces. Boom, so now we got red tops and red coil packs. Looking pretty. So let's crank it up and make sure make sure it still runs. Purring like a kitten. It's the way a VR6 should. So that's it. That's the VR6 Velt Sport Coilpack install. Super easy job. I'd recommend doing spark plugs at the same time if you need to, which we probably will here soon, but demonstrating the Velt Sport Performance Coilpacks.